So today's video is going to be how to make this recipe right here. It is Salsa Verde chicken casserole and it is so yummy. So if you would like to see how to make this, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so for this recipe I just have all of the ingredients here laid out. So we have our shredded chicken here, the Salsa Verde, I got the mild because we don't like spicy, and then some sour cream, 8 ounces, 2 cups of tomatoes, and then this is also supposed to be like 2 cups. I just kind of eyeballed it. And then this is 1/4 cup cilantro that I chopped up. And then this is probably way more than 2 cups, but I need 2 cups of this Monterey Jack cheese. And then some yellow corn tortillas. And this is the size pan that we're using. It's a 2-quart pan. So I'm going to be mixing in my sour cream and salsa verde in with the chicken that I have shredded here. 8-ounce container of sour cream. 3/4 cup of the salsa verde. Okay, so this is all mixed up very well. Incorporated everything. And then it says to grease your pan here. I'm just using the Pam butter spray. Okay, so I sprayed my pan, and now I'm going to add the last 1/4 cup of the salsa on the bottom. Layer half the tortillas on the bottom of the salsa verde, and it calls for 8 tortillas, so I'm going to layer 4 on the bottom right now. Okay, then I'm going to add half of the chicken mixture on top of the tortillas. Okay, so now I'm sprinkling the tomatoes on top of the chicken, just do about half, and then the cilantro, and then some cheese, the Monterey Jack cheese. We're going to repeat the layers. Okay, so this is what it looks like before you bake it, and we're going to bake it uncovered, 400 degrees for 23 minutes. It says between 20 to 25, so I like to do it right in the middle, 23. This is what the Salsa Verde chicken casserole looks like out of the oven after 23 minutes. It is so cheesy and delicious. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more recipes from me, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.